Racing just started with me, Belia. Amore break quickly restart rushing about the outside is Dream of All. Then next online is Kaluguran. Raindrop comes next Coastline. Humble submission no. Yana Tuxedo while Tep Morris the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch of me, Belia. Amore on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Coastline moving apart the outside. Dream of All. Kaluguran in between horses. Then comes Tuxedo moving apart the outside is Humble submission. Raindrop no. Yana while Tep Mura is still racing in less inside the tres octavo. We have Belia Amore more ahead. Kaluguran is on the outside. Then next online now is Dream of All. Tuxedo is down on the inside. Then comes Humble submission. Coastline Raindrop no. Yana while Tep Mura is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. Belia Amore moving up on the outside is Tuxedo. Last 100 meters, Belia Amore. Tuxedo is on the outside. Belia Amore. Tuxedo now moves up to take the lead, and finally Tuxedo, Belia Amore. Then comes Tepmur no. Yana Humble submission. Kaluguran.
Okay, bayang karelista para dito sa ating race number 5. Ito pong yamadong numero 6 ang nauna kontra dun sa numero 1 na si Maybella Amor. Ating pong balikan ng replay dito sa ating race number